Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. As you know, I'm a fan of simple dishes and I'm a fan of casseroles. And I decided, what's better than this? A cheesy Hamburg macaroni casserole. It's simple to put together. You can do it in just under an hour and you're going to love it, so let me walk you through it. So to kick things off here, what I've got is about half a kilo of lean ground beef. And I'm just going to fry this up until it's nicely browned. Okay, once it's browned, I'm going to add in some salt, and of course my favorite, ground black pepper. Then we're going to go ahead and add in a small chopped onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and about 5 or 6 sliced button mushrooms. We'll just saute this for a few minutes, just until that beautiful aroma fills the air. After the mushrooms are translucent, I'm going to add in about 800 milliliters of diced tomatoes, a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste, just to thicken things up. And we'll give this a stir. Okay, we'll just let this simmer for about 10 minutes. Alright, after about 10 minutes, I'm going to add in 2 cups of cooked macaroni noodles. And you can use a noodle of your choice, but I just like these. A bit of Italian seasoning. Now, if you don't have this, you can just leave it out. I just like it. And we're just going to give this a stir. This looks and smells so good, guys. Okay, I'm just going to kill the heat. This tastes so good, but we're not done yet. I'm just going to place this into a casserole dish. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision. So what I'm going to do now is add a combination of cheeses, starting with some mozzarella, followed by some old cheddar. Now you can add the cheese of your choice. And I'm going to slip this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius preheated oven for about 20 minutes, just until the cheese is melted and it's heated through. After about 10 or 15 minutes, the cheese is beautifully melted, so I'm just going to sprinkle some fresh parsley over the top, just to give it that green effect. And there you have it, guys, our cheesy Hamburger macaroni casserole. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. This is so good. The cheese, the acidity of the tomatoes, the noodles, just absolutely fantastic. Great for any occasion. You got to make this. I'm going to keep eating. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. You're going to love it. Anything you want to make. Thanks for watching and thanks for subbing, and see you next time.